Want to save $497 or more per year? Of course you do. Who doesn't love saving money? What if I told you that you could pocket those savings while also getting your hands on a powerful suite of business tools? That's exactly what I'm going to show you today. We're diving deep into GoHighLevel's 2025 free promo. This isn't some watered-down trial either. You're getting the full power of GoHighLevel's agency plan, completely free for a limited time. This is your opportunity to supercharge your business growth without spending a dime. Imagine streamlining your operations, automating your marketing, and closing more deals, all while saving a significant chunk of change. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. I'm going to walk you through every single step of the process, from signing up to mastering the platform. GoHighLevel is more than just another software, it's your secret weapon for business domination. We're talking about a comprehensive platform that combines CRM, marketing automation, and a whole lot more. Imagine having all your leads, clients, and communications in one central hub. That's the power of GoHighLevel's CRM, but it doesn't stop there. GoHighLevel's intuitive funnel builder empowers you to create high-converting sales funnels that practically run themselves. And with its AI-powered SMS tool, you can effortlessly engage leads, nurture relationships, and close deals like never before. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped to harness the full potential of GoHighLevel and unlock a level of business growth you never thought possible. Now let's get down to brass tacks. I'm going to walk you through the entire process of claiming your free GoHighLevel agency plan. We'll start by navigating to the GoHighLevel website and clicking on the Start Free Trial button. From there, we'll select the agency plan, which offers the most comprehensive set of features and the best long-term value. And to sweeten the deal even further, we'll be using a special promo code, HighLevel 2025. This code unlocks the full $497 annual savings, giving you completely free access to GoHighLevel's agency plan. So get ready to transform your business without spending a dime. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's get this show on the road. We're on a mission to unlock those incredible savings and empower your business with GoHighLevel's agency plan. First things first, we need to navigate to the GoHighLevel website. You can either type in the URL directly or simply do a quick Google search for GoHighLevel. Once you're on the home page, you'll be greeted with a sleek and modern design that screams powerful software. But don't let the fancy design intimidate you. This platform is incredibly user-friendly. In fact, you'll be navigating it like a pro in no time. Now look for the button that says, Start Free Trial. It's usually prominently displayed, often in a contrasting color to grab your attention. Go ahead and click that button, and let's move on to the next step. Section 2, Selecting the Agency Plan. Now that you've clicked on Start Free Trial, you'll be taken to a page with different plan options. Remember, our goal is to unlock the full potential of GoHighLevel and maximize our savings, so we're going for the gold standard, the agency plan. This plan is packed with features and functionalities that will take your business to the next level. You'll see the agency plan listed among the other options. It's usually highlighted in some way to emphasize its value. Don't be tempted by the lower tier plans, trust me. The agency plan is worth every penny, especially since you're getting it for free with our special promo code. Click on the agency plan to select it and proceed to the next step, where we'll unlock those amazing savings. Section 3, Unveiling the Promo Code Power. This is where the magic happens. We're about to slash that price tag and get you access to the full-fledged GoHighLevel agency plan without spending a dime. You'll notice a field on the checkout page where you can enter a promo code. This is where you'll input the secret code to unlock your savings. HighLevel 2025. That's right, HighLevel 2025 is your golden ticket to business growth on a budget. Type in the code carefully, ensuring there are no typos or spaces. Once you've entered the code, click on the Apply button, and watch as the price magically drops to zero. That's the power of a well-placed promo code. Section 4. Entering your information. With the promo code applied and your savings secured, it's time to finalize your free trial. You'll be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and payment details. Don't worry, you won't be charged anything during the free trial period. GoHighLevel just needs this information to create your account and ensure a smooth onboarding experience. Once you've filled in all the required fields, double-check everything to make sure it's accurate. Then, click on the Start Free Trial button to officially begin your GoHighLevel journey. Congratulations, you're now one step closer to unlocking the full potential of this powerful platform. Alright, you've successfully signed up for your free GoHighLevel agency plan using our exclusive promo code. Now, let's dive into the heart of the platform and explore the intuitive dashboard. Don't worry, it's not as intimidating as it might seem. Think of the dashboard as your command center, where you can access all of GoHighLevel's powerful features and functionalities. As you can see, the dashboard is cleanly laid out, with a clear and logical menu structure. You'll find everything you need to manage your leads, automate your marketing, and streamline your business operations. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the different sections such as CRM, funnels, workflows, and settings. We'll be diving deeper into some of these sections in the following steps. One of the core components of GoHighLevel is its robust CRM system. This is where you'll manage all your leads, contacts, and customer interactions. Think of it as a centralized hub for all your customer data. Setting up your CRM is crucial for effective lead management and sales automation. GoHighLevel makes it incredibly easy to import your existing contacts or create new ones directly within the platform. You can add detailed information to each contact, such as their name, email address, phone number, and even their social media profiles. You can also create custom fields to track specific data points that are relevant to your business. The ability to segment your contacts based on various criteria allows for targeted communication and personalized marketing campaigns. Now let's move on to one of the most exciting aspects of GoHighLevel, the Funnel Builder. This intuitive drag-and-drop interface empowers you to create high-converting sales funnels without any technical expertise. A sales funnel is essentially a series of steps designed to guide your leads through the buyer's journey, from the initial point of contact to the final sale. GoHighLevel provides a wide range of pre-built templates for different types of funnels, such as lead generation funnels, webinar registration funnels, and e-commerce sales funnels. You can easily customize these templates to match your brand and specific business needs. You can add various elements to your funnels such as landing pages, opt-in forms, email sequences, and even upsell and downsell offers. In today's mobile-first world, SMS marketing is more important than ever. GoHighLevel recognizes this and provides a powerful AI-powered SMS tool that allows you to connect with your leads and customers directly on their mobile devices. Imagine being able to send personalized text messages to your leads, reminding them about upcoming webinars, promoting special offers, or even just checking in to see how they're doing. GoHighLevel's AI SMS tool takes things a step further by allowing you to automate your SMS campaigns. You can set up triggers based on specific actions or behaviors, such as a lead submitting a form or making a purchase. This level of automation allows you to nurture your leads and drive sales without lifting a finger. No business operates in a vacuum, and GoHighLevel understands the importance of seamless integration with other tools and platforms. Whether you're using email marketing software, payment processors, or webinar platforms, GoHighLevel likely has an integration that will streamline your workflow. Integrations allow you to connect your various business tools and automate data flow between them. For example, you can integrate GoHighLevel with your email marketing platform to automatically add new leads to your email list, or trigger email sequences based on specific actions within GoHighLevel. You can also integrate with payment processors to streamline your sales process and track payments directly within the platform. Now that you're familiar with the core features of GoHighLevel, let's dive into one of its most powerful capabilities: workflows. Workflows are essentially automated sequences of actions that are triggered by specific events or conditions. Think of them as your virtual assistants, tirelessly working behind the scenes to streamline your business processes and save you countless hours of manual labor. With workflows, you can automate practically anything, from sending welcome emails to new subscribers, to nurturing leads with personalized follow-up sequences. Let's say a new lead fills out a contact form on your website. With GoHighLevel workflows, you can automatically add that lead to your CRM, send them a welcome email, and even trigger a series of follow-up text messages, all without lifting a finger. You can even use workflows to segment your leads based on their behavior, ensuring that they receive the most relevant and timely communications. The possibilities for automation with GoHighLevel workflows are virtually limitless, allowing you to focus on what you do best, growing your business. Section 2. Reputation Management, Building Trust and Credibility. In today's digital age, your online reputation is everything. Potential customers are constantly researching businesses online, reading reviews, and looking for social proof before making a purchase. That's where GoHighLevel's reputation management features come in. With GoHighLevel, you can monitor your online reviews, respond to customer feedback, and even generate new reviews from satisfied clients, all from a single platform. Imagine being notified instantly whenever someone leaves a review about your business on Google, Yelp, or Facebook. With GoHighLevel, you can respond to reviews promptly and professionally, addressing any concerns and showcasing your commitment to customer satisfaction. You can even automate review requests, sending gentle reminders to happy customers, encouraging them to share their positive experiences with the world. By actively managing your online reputation, you can build trust, enhance your brand image, and attract even more customers. Section 3. Analytics and Reporting, Tracking Your Success. What good is a powerful business tool if you can't track your progress and measure your success? GoHighLevel understands the importance of data-driven decision-making and provides comprehensive analytics and reporting features to help you gain valuable insights into your business performance. With GoHighLevel's intuitive dashboards and reports, you can track key metrics such as website traffic, lead generation, sales conversions, and customer engagement. Want to know which marketing campaigns are driving the most leads? GoHighLevel's analytics will tell you. Curious about your sales funnel conversion rates? GoHighLevel has got you covered. By closely monitoring your analytics, you can identify areas for improvement, optimize your strategies, and make informed decisions to drive even greater results. Knowledge is power, and GoHighLevel empowers you with the data you need to make smart business decisions. Section 4. Scaling your business, from solopreneur to agency. Whether you're a solopreneur just starting out or an established agency looking to streamline your operations and scale your client base, GoHighLevel has the tools and resources to support your growth. For solopreneurs, GoHighLevel provides an all-in-one solution to manage their entire business, from lead generation and marketing automation to client communication and project management. For agencies, GoHighLevel offers a white-label platform that allows you to rebrand the software with your own logo and branding, creating a seamless and professional experience for your clients. You can manage all your client accounts from a single dashboard, track their progress, and even provide them with customized reports. GoHighLevel's agency-focused features empower you to streamline your operations, increase your efficiency, and scale your business to new heights. Section 5. GoHighLevel Support, your partner in success. Embarking on a new software platform can be daunting, but with GoHighLevel, you're never alone. GoHighLevel is committed to your success and provides exceptional customer support to help you every step of the way. Whether you have a technical question, need help setting up a specific feature, or simply want some guidance on how to maximize your results, GoHighLevel's support team is always there to assist you. You can access GoHighLevel's extensive knowledge base, browse through helpful tutorials, or reach out to their friendly support team via email, phone, or live chat. GoHighLevel's commitment to customer satisfaction is evident in their responsive and helpful support team, ensuring that you always have the guidance and assistance you need to succeed. With GoHighLevel, you're not just investing in a software platform, you're gaining a trusted partner in your business growth. There you have it. You've just unlocked the incredible potential of GoHighLevel. And the best part is, you've secured it absolutely free. With its powerful CRM, intuitive funnel builder, AI-powered SMS tool, and seamless integrations, GoHighLevel equips you with everything you need to streamline your operations, automate your marketing, and skyrocket your business growth. But this is just the beginning of your GoHighLevel journey. As you delve deeper into the platform and explore its advanced features, you'll discover even more ways to optimize your business processes and maximize your results. Remember, GoHighLevel is more than just a software. It's your secret weapon for achieving unprecedented business growth. So take action today, implement what you've learned, and watch as your business reaches new heights of success. And don't forget to check out my next video where I'll be revealing advanced automation strategies that will take your GoHighLevel game to the next level.